Op Endurance is the NZDF's ongoing commitment to supporting the Department of Conservation and MetService in the Subantarctic Islands.
Op Endurance 2019, we were fortunate enough to get assistance from HMNZS Canterbury. A lot of material had to come ashore and there's a lot of material has to come off the island. So yeah, the assistance from NZDF has been absolutely essential for this task.
Is looking for Campbell Island teal and Campbell Island snipe. Both of them are species that are endemic just to Campbell Island and have flourished since the eradication of the rats. It's a fantastic story. So.
We're also collecting invertebrates and algae because people don't get down here very often. There's some pretty interesting critters that we don't know much about. So a lot of animals and plants have very specific temperature ranges that they need to live and grow. And so if we see shifts in their distribution, it could be an indicator of changing climate conditions.
The Southern Ocean's a ferocious place, it really is. Last year we measured a wave of 23.8 metres peak, so like that's probably as high as we are standing up here on the bridge of the Canterbury. So we're able to take these really valuable data, and Defence Technology Agency are using those data in the way that you would classify the design state for a new Navy ship to operate down here.
So for 3 Squadron, and particularly the NH90, this is our first embarked operation. We also took the aircraft to one of the most harshest environments that we've been in. Challenges we faced were winds up to 50 or 60 knots at times, gusting through. Temperatures didn't get much above 6 or 7 degrees. The crew were out on deck helping out with flying operations in pretty tough conditions. In the future, there's going to be a fair amount more work required for a heavy lift asset. And therefore the NH90 is likely to be involved both in the Subantarctics and in the other outlying islands around New Zealand.